some major points we will discuss, then we will move on questions uh, based on this. Already you are aware what coordinate are made by two lines. Coordinate plane, Cartesian plane can be made by two lines. So first line, which is known as vertical. So vertical is what? Y. This is y-axis. Okay, this is y-axis. So y-axis is a line. It is also known as a vertical line. And the second, which is horizontal. It's a x-axis. It's a x-axis. X dash. This y dash. So horizontal line will also be considered as a so horizontal line will be also considered as x-axis. Okay, so y-axis is a vertical, x-axis is a horizontal. Now we have two lines, and these two lines are intersecting to each other. Where? Here. So where these two lines are intersecting to each other is what? 0, 0, 0, which is known as, it can be said as a, or it can be said origin. So it will be origin. Okay. Here this side will be all positive numbers. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So these sides on a x-axis will be positive numbers, positive natural numbers you can say, and this side on axis will be negative numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can say we have integers numbers on x-axis. We have integer numbers on x-axis where this side are positive numbers and these sides are negative numbers. Now same here, upward side will be positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this side will be, this numbers will be considered as positive numbers, and this downward side will be what? -1, -2, -3, -4. So these are numbers that are downward from the origin, that will be in negative number, in a negative. So from here, that's how a Cartesian plane is formed. So okay, now from here you will have coordinates. So coordinates, which means x, y, where x is integers, y is also integers. X can be rational, y can be rational. So you can say real number. X can be real number, y can be real number. Okay. Now here, from here, this x-axis, which means all these numbers that are on x-axis will appear here, and y, which means all these numbers that are on y-axis will appear here. Now first number will come, number that are on x-axis. Okay, so first number will come x as a x, and second number will come as a y. So here this is also known as abscissa. This is also known as abscissa, and this is also known as ordinate. These are names of this. Abscissa is the name of x, ordinate is name of y, and these two are called as coordinates. Okay, coordinates. So here x, which means in place of x is any number, you already know. So let's start. What else? Here, one thing. What if I say 1 minus 7? No, minus 3. So it means in place of x is 1. So 1 is what? 1 is on x-axis. So here this is 1. This is 1, and minus 3 is y, is on y axis. So minus 3 is here. So this is 1. This is 1, and here is this 1. That's how you will plot. Okay, that's how you will plot. For example, minus 5, comma 5. Here don't get confused. It minus 5, which means here first is x, second is y. In place of x is how much? Minus 5. So we will see where? Here on x axis. So this is minus 5, and my next 5 is on y axis. So this is 5, and here this will meet here. So like that. Okay, like that you will plot. So here minus 5 comma 5. This is one part. Now we had learned all these basics in 9th standard, but as a revision I was telling you. Now we are going to do some questions based on this. The question is saying find the distance between the points. We have given 2 points. This is one, this is second, and we have to find. It is saying you have given this point, this point. 2 points. 1 point is what? Coordinates of 1 point is 7, 13, and coordinates of the second point is 10, 9. So we have to find the distance between them from here to till here. From here to till here, we will find. So we will find the distance between given points by using distance formula of coordinate geometry. So here whatever is given to you, you just write 7, 13, and even you can consider it as x1, y1. Okay. So b, just for understanding, here b is 10, 9. So whereas this is x2, because x1 this, x1 this, x2 this, y2, clear? Y2. Now we are going to apply distance formula of coordinate geometry. So between AB, it is just a Pythagoras theorem of finding distance between coordinates. So something is a difference. So it is just a Pythagoras theorem. Now under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1. And as we know that Pythagoras theorem says that AB square is equal to x square plus y square. That's all. That is what is the Pythagoras. So here we will substitute each value of a variable. Here x2 is how much? 10, 7 plus y2 is 9 minus 30. We will simplify it further. So 3 plus minus 4. Okay, now this is an square. 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16. It will become 25, and 25 is a perfect square. So it will become 5. It will become 5. Meaning of this answer is this is 5 units. 5 units. You will call it as a units. 5 units. So from here to till here is 1 unit. From here to till here is 2 units. Like that. So 5 units like that. Okay, 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So meaning of this is 5 units. So distance between these given points are 5 units. 5 centimeter, otherwise you can say 5 centimeter. So that's how you will apply distance formula on like that questions. Then you will get answer. Now second question. Now one point more. Question says that x is something. So x which is a number on x-axis, okay. So y will become 0 because y is 0, which means x number is on x-axis. If x is 0, which means y numbers are on y-axis here we get it like that. And you know what is the origin? Origin is just 0, 0, where x is 0, y is 0. Okay, so next questions will be something different from this question. This was the distance formula. This was just a distance formula. Now next question is now this is question. When the questions are like that, then here K is a given, which is a point, is in coordinates. So x is a 6, y is a minus 6 from the origin. So coordinates of origin will be 0, 0. Here x is a 0, y is a 0. Just we will substitute. So here question is saying find the distance between them. So we will solve it. A is 6, minus 6, B origin already. So we can consider it as a cube 0, 0. So here we are going to apply distance formula. So between this. So yes, 0 minus 6 and 0 plus 6. So here 36 plus 36 will become 2, 3, 3, 6, 7. We can factor this number that is in under root. So it will become 72, 2, 35, 36, 36, 2, 8, 2, 9, 2, 3, 3, 1. So here you can see we can write 2 1 times 2. We will take common 2, 1, 2. So 2 to the 4 under root 3. Under root of 3. So this is what is answer. This is the distance 4 under root 3 units. Okay. So that's how you solve like that questions. Next question. Next question is there is a twist in this question, and this is different from the previous questions. Now let's solve. Try to understand what is the question saying. It is saying we have given 2 points in which we have to find the value of y, and we have given what units, 10 units. We have given distance between these points, between these points. We have given 10 units. So distance is how much? 10 units between A and B. So we will just substitute whatever is given. You can write. For example, this is given that, this is given this given comma y, and the units. So you can say distance AB is equal to how much? 10 units. 10 units. Just you will substitute. Then you will get a value of y. Okay. We will have a linear pair equation. So here AB under root. Okay. So here this is x1, x2, y1, y2. So x minus 3 square, then y plus 1 square. Clear? Now till here it is clear. So we now AB is what? So can we put 10 in place of AB? Yes, of course. So 10. So here we are going to simplify it. It will be 8 square. Y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay. We have applied a plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it is what? This will come this side, then it will convert and n square. So here it is 64, and we have y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay, this is 100 minus 64, y square plus 2y plus 1. It is how much? 26. So again, can we write 25 y square plus 2y? So it will be how much? Y square plus 2y minus 25 will become 0. So what is the value of till here? Is it correct? So here I did wrong. Where? Here. It will be 36. So 35 and then 2y. Okay. Then here is y square plus 2y. So I think I should do this 10, 64 and this as it. Okay. So this will go this side, and 64 this side, y plus 1 square. This is 36. Then this will come this side. It will become like that. So now this is y plus 1. Now we have 2 y's. 1 is what? 6. Y will become 5. This is 1. And second is what? Minus 6. Then it will become minus 5. So y in place of y can be 6, in place of y can be 9, in place of y can be 5, in place of y can be -5. Okay, this is all. So here you will go like that, then you just do here, then you take this 2 times with this, then you simplify, then you will get value of y. Now next, next is what? We have this question. We are going to find the values of k. Values of k. Now here, let's start. Here a is how much? A is 3, k, and b is how much? K, 5. K, 5. Now B is coming between these points, which is equidistance. Now, meaning of this is what? We have two points. We have here 2 points. One is A, second is B, third is coming between. So equidistance, which means measure of is something. Then whatever is the measure of this will be equal to this. This is meaning of equidistance. And this is B, which is -1, 2, -1, 2, and this is 3, k, and B is k, 5, like that. So this is equal to this. Okay, this is the meaning of equidistance. Let's so here we have what? How much? We have 2 line segments, AP, PB, and both are equal to each other. So can we take it as a PB? Of course, yes. Then we are going to apply formula, distance formula. So here first we will take so here P will be what? K, no. P is how much? P is K -1, 2, and K, 5. K -1, 2. Okay, P, and P is how much? K, 5. K, 5. Now, so here let's start. This is x1, x2. So k -1, -3. This is whole. This is all. Okay. Now next is 2 minus k. 2 minus k. Clear? Now for this baby. K minus k plus 1. isn't it? Next is 5 minus 2, like that. Now we have to simplify it further. So here k, it can be written as minus 4, as it. So 2 square plus 2k minus k square minus k square. Now here in this, k minus k will get cancelled out. Here is only 1 plus, and this is how much? 3 3 is a 9. It is under root of a 10. Now we are going to apply a minus b square. So it will be k square plus 8k, and this is how much? This is 4. So 8k minus 4. So it will become 16. This is how much? 4. And 4k minus k square. It is a 10. It is 10. Now here you can see this will get cancelled out. And we have how much? This square also. So 8k plus 4k. It will be 12k, and here minus 16, and this will become minus 12, and this is 10. So 12k, 10 plus 12. So it is 22 upon 12. 11 to the 6 to the. K is coming 11 upon 6. Is it correct? So here I did wrong. This is minus and this is plus. This is minus and this is plus. 2 minus k. So here 8k, 4k, okay, and here minus 16, it will become 20. It will become minus 14. 12, 10. Then again you can see 4k, 10 plus 12, it is becoming 22 upon 2. So it is also minus 4. It is also minus 4. So it is a minus 20k. So here you can see this is 2 times. This is 2 times. So this will become 2k square and minus 12k plus 20, 10. That is what happened. K square as it minus. So I applied here minus. So 4 to the 8 and 4 for the 16 plus Then here it will be how? This will be plus and this will be minus. Okay, and this will be plus. Now it is correct. I have applied. I was doing wrong here. Now we have a quadratic k square 6 10. So we have k square 6k plus 10 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now we will split this 3 to the 6 and here. So we have a 6 2 3 and 3 1s. So here this is how much? 20. 6k 2 6 are 12. And this is a 10. 2 3s are 6. Only 3 6. So here 1 point more. It can be classified more. So this will be plus 5. Now it is correct. So k square minus 3k minus 2k. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here 6k. This is a 6k. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. It means minus k minus 5k 0. Okay, minus 5k 0. From here k and k minus 1. Next is k minus 1 and it will be minus 5. So we will take this common, minus 5 and k minus 1 0. First is 5, second is 1. So here you can see. So I was doing here wrong. Here I was doing wrong. One point more I wanted to discuss separate. What any number are on x-axis. Any number that are on x-axis except 0. So y will be considered as 0. X is something. Let's say 6 on x-axis. Then y will become 0. If y is something, then x will become 0. Y is something on y-axis. On y-axis. This is this matter. Okay. So from some questions based on this, I am taking. Now next question is This is what a question is saying. Find those points on the y-axis, which is at a distance of 13 units from the point. So find those points on the y-axis. So here y-axis. So y is a something, but x is a 0. And second is what? A, which is minus 5, 7. Which is, so this is a b, which is at a distance of 13 from the point A. Here we don't know what is the number in place of y. So this is wrong. 0, y. In place of x is a 0 because it is saying find those points that are on y-axis. If a number is on y-axis, then 0 will become x will become 0. X will become 0. Now we have 2 points. We are going to find this. So can we write a is minus 5, 7 and b is 0, y. 0, y. AB. So what is saying? Here you can also see that we have given distance which is 13 units. So 13 and y, and this is x1, x2. So here y minus 7. Okay, we will simplify it further. So 25 and y square minus 14y plus 7 7s are 14. Now what else? It can come here. So 25 plus y square minus 40y, and here this is how much? 9, 5, 4, 2, 6, 7. 169 minus 74 y square 14y. This is how much? Now second method is that 169 and we have here 25 plus y minus 7 square. So 169 minus 25 y minus 7 square. Y minus 7 square. So it is how much? 144. Now this will come here. This 144 is under root. So y minus 7. It will become 14. Y minus 7. So here y, this is 7. Y is how much? 19. Y is 19. From this method, y is coming 19. Y is coming as a 19. So from this method, what will happen? So it is saying 5 and 9, 7. So 9. Y square minus 14 y. It means y square minus 14y and then 95 is 0. So this is correct. Where did I go wrong? Yes, from this method, this is correct. It is saying from here, it is saying that this is minus. So y minus 7. So plus minus 12. Here it means we can find y 2 times. Value of y 2 separate. So 12 plus 7, it will become 19. Then on the other side, 12 minus 7, it will become 2 and 5. Then 10, 5, 1, 5. So y is also 19, y is also 5 from this method. From this method. That's all. From here, then this side, then this side. Next question. Next question is, this is question. What is question saying? It is saying you have given 3 points and you have to tell that 3 points are collinear or not. Collinear, which means 3 points will make a linear line on graph. Linear which means a line which is straight. So 3 points will be in straight. In straight will be making a line. So here A is let's say minus. So meaning of this, let's understand. This is A and this is B. This is C. So A is 1, 5, B is 2, 3, C is minus 2, minus 11. If measure of this and measure of this will be equal, measure of this and measure of this will be equal to AC. Are you not understand? AB plus BC should be equal to AC. If this will happen, then we can say all 3 points that are given to us will be collinear, will be in straight line. So when sum of this two distance will be equal to AC, then so it is saying first you find distance between AB and then find distance between BC, then add them, then you find distance between AC, then you will you observe that sum of this is equal to this. If yes, then yeah, these all points are collinear. So I'm not going to waste more time. So this is what I will write it later. So first, let's start from AB. So here, how much? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 and 3 minus 5, so minus 2. Clear? It will be 1 plus 2 to the 4. So root 5. Clear? AB is root 5. From here to till here, distance is root 5. Now next is BC. So BC minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 a square. So minus 11 minus 3 minus 11 minus 3. We are going to simplify it. So it will become how much? 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16. Now next is plus 14. 4 4 is 16. 1 4 and 5. So same. No. 4 1 9 196. 196. So here this is a 16. 6 6 12 10 11 2 212. This is how much? 212. You can factor it. So for now this is 212. 212. Now we have found the distance between AB and between ABC. We are going to find the distance between AC. So AC. So if minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, here minus 11 minus 5 minus 11 minus 5. Now simple. 3 3 is 9 and 16 16. 6 3 9 1 6 6 5 2 256. So it will become how much? You can say under root of 5, isn't it? 5 6 2. So from A to B, A to C is how much? 265 units. Now we are going to check that. So as I was saying that A, B, sum of A plus BC should be equal to AC. Then what is AB? Root 5. And what is BC? Under root 212. And now what is AC? So here number should be how much? This. But here you can see how much is coming? Under root 217. 217 units. Okay. So here you can see, we can say now what AB plus BC. So you can also say that this is not equal to 265. So AC is not equal to. So we can say all these given points are not collinear because of sum of this is not equal to this. Finally, this is answer. Now next is something else. Next is some question based on section formula. We were doing questions based on distance formula of a coordinate geometry. Now it's a time to understand the section formula, and we will be doing some questions based on section formula. What is the section formula? This says that you have, let's say you have given 2 points A, B. So third point will come to divide the given line segment. So third point like that will come. So it will be named as any random letter. So we will have a given line segment, and third point will come to divide the line segment. So that's how this will be 1 unit and this will be 3 unit. So this one which is a unit and 3 are units, so it will be considered M1 and it will be considered M2. And you can say 1:3, otherwise 1/3. So 1:3 is a fraction, is a ratio. So it is a 1 unit, and meaning of this 3 are units. Now total units between AB are how much? 4 units, as you are looking. So question would be saying that find this, is that. So So first question I would like to pick up. Formula is what? So P is a something, P is a coordinates. So it will be considered as x1, x comma y. We have given everything except xy, and that is what we will be finding in first question. Now sixth formula is very easy. We will be finding x comma y, which is a third point, and we are going to find the third point, third coordinate. So this will be what? This will be units. This will be units. This will be units. Okay. So x2 then x1, y2 then y1. Now let's pick up a equation based on this. Now this is question. Here in this question, we will apply this is section formula. Because of it is saying you have given 2 points, this and this, and these points are in the ratio to 3:2. What is the meaning of this? And it is saying find the coordinates of the point which it divides. So third point which is dividing this line segment. For example, AB, this is line segment, and third point is coming to divide this line segment. We don't know where. So here this is a third 3 units. So this will be, I think, here 3 units, and this is a 2 units. So third point is this. This is the third point. So this is the third point, which is what P, and we will find this coordinates of a P point, and this is given 4 comma minus 3, and this is also given 9 comma minus 7, and this is a 3. These are 3 units. These are 2 units. Meaning of this is from distance between AP is how much? 3 units, and distance between PB is 2 units, and distance between AB is 5 units. Okay. How much? 5 units. So here this will be considered as M1, and this will be considered as M2. This is X1, this is Y1. Okay, this is X2, this is Y2. Now A is how much? 4 comma minus 3. Whatever is given to us, we will write 9 comma 7. Now what else? Ratio you can see here. M1 is 3, M2 is 2. Now X is M1 is how much? 3 into X2 is 9 plus then again M2 is 2 multiple x1 is a 4. Clear? 3 plus 2. Now it's a term of y. So here m1 is a 3 multiple y2. y2 is a 7. Here am2 2 multiple and y1 minus 3 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2. So here 9 3s are 27 plus 4 2s are 8. 3 to 5. Okay. Y is 21 plus and this is minus 6 upon 5 upon 5. Now okay. This is how much? 35 upon 5. 35 upon 5. Now it is how much? 1. 15 upon 5. 5 sevens are 5 threes are 5 threes are. So here we can say 5 is a 7 and y is a 3. Now meaning of this answer is in place of this x is how much? 7. In place of this y is how much? 3. This is a third point which is coming to divide the AB line segment in ratio of 3:3/2. So this is that third point. Okay. Now we have 3 points and we have found the unknown coordinates. Okay. Unknown coordinates. That's how you solve like that questions. Now next question, just have a look. Next question is now this is question. We have to understand what is the question saying. Find the coordinates. Now new word is coming, which is a trisector, bisector, both are something is a difference. Bisector, which means a bisector will divide a line segment in equal parts. Same here, trisection, which a trisector point will divide the line segment into 3 parts. So measure of this part will be equal to this and measure of this part will be equal to this. So measure of this 3 will be equal to each other, not different. Okay, this is what is the meaning of a trisection. Now find the coordinates. We are going to find the third coordinates of the points of a trisection of the line segment joining the points AB. So we have a line. This is A, B. It is given already. And 1 comma minus 5. So we have 3 parts. We have 3 parts. Let's say this is P, this is Q. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We don't know what is here. we don't know. Let's say this is x comma y, this is x comma, this is also x comma y. Okay, we don't have given ratios. I think it will be 1. It should be 1. It should be 1. Now we have given what? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. First we will find AP and then PB. AP then PB. Okay. So here we will apply section formula. So can we say that we have this A, B. So this is 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2, and this is 1 comma minus 5. So this is 1 and this is B. This is x comma y, and these are 2 units. This is a 2 units. PB. Wow, wonderful. Now A1 is A1 and M2 is a 2. We can apply section formula. Okay. So x M1 is how much? 1 multiple x2 is 1. So plus M2 2 multiple how much? X2 x1 is 7. 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 1 plus 2. Now here y. So here y is M1 again multiple and y2 is minus 5. Then 2 multiple and y1 is minus 2 upon 1 plus 2. That's it. So 1 plus 14 upon 3. Y is minus 5 plus minus 4. It will become minus 4 upon 3. So it will be minus 9 upon 3. Then it will be minus 3. Now it will be 15 upon 3. Then it will be 5. This will be 5. X is a 5 and y is minus 3. It means here is how much? Here is 5 comma minus 3. This is a meaning. This is a meaning. Minus 3. Now it's a time this. So this is A, this is a B. Okay. 7 comma minus 2 and this is 1 comma minus 5. So here Q. It's a time of Q. So Q is something we don't know. We have found this coordinate. Okay. Now we are going to find this coordinate. So just we will apply. Second. So A1. So this will become 2 and this will become 1. So A1 is how much? 2 multiple x2 y. X2 is a 1. X2 is a 1. Okay, no problem. M2 is a 1. M2 is a 1 multiple x2 is a 7. So 2 plus 1, isn't it? 2 plus 1. Now next y. So this is a 2 multiple y2 how much? Minus 5. So next is plus y1 is minus 2. Then multiple y. So this is 2 and this is so like that. 1 plus 2. Otherwise you can write 2 plus 1. It will not 0. So here we are going to simplify it. 2 1s are 2, 7 1s are 7, 3. So first of all, let's simplify it. It will become how much? 9 by 3. So x is a 3. Here y minus 10 and minus 2 upon 3 minus 12 upon 3. 3 4 is 12 minus 4. So y will become minus 4. It means in place of this x is how much? 3 comma minus 4. So we have found these two coordinates. That's how you will find. That's how you will find. Next is the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. This is done. We were doing some questions based on section formula. Now we will be doing some questions based on midpoint formula. What is the midpoint? Point which is a medium, which is at a midpoint. For example, we have given this line, and medium is where this, which is also a bisector point. You can say bisector point. Now, formula of midpoint is what? Just this is formula. This is formula of midpoint. It is saying that you will divide after adding the x1, x2 by 2. Okay. So I am taking an equation based on this. Now we have this question. Question is saying you have given 2 points A and B. Okay, A and B. A is how much? A is 2A, 4. 2A, 4. B is how much? Minus 2, 3B. And C is so midpoint of the line segment joining this and this is how much? This. So this is midpoint. So A1, 2A plus 1. Okay, this is midpoint. We will apply. So we are going to find A. We have given this x and this. Okay, we have given. So x and x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now first let's start from here. So x1 is how much? This is x1 and this is x2. So 2a plus x2 is minus 2 upon 2. And y is how much? y1 is 4 plus 3b upon 2 upon 2. X is given, do you know? 1. This is 1. So it will become 2a plus minus 2. And y is also given. Y is how much? Y is 2a. So 2a plus 1. 4a plus 3b. So here you can see 2, it will become minus 2. So 2 and 2a. 2a plus 4. A is equal to 2. Now from here 2 to the 4a plus 2, 4 plus 3b. Okay. 4a is equal to 2 plus 3b. Okay. Now we can put a value of a in place of a. Then we will get this. So 4 multiple 2 and 2 plus 3b will be how much? 6. 2 plus 3b. 6 minus 2. 3b. 4. 3b. B is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. So finally we can say a is 2 and b is 3 upon 4. This is the answer. So here midpoint, meaning of a midpoint is what? Just a bisector point. When it comes to midpoint, then we will apply this formula. Just we will add x1, x2 upon 2, y1, y2 upon 2. That's all. Something went wrong. Where? So this is 4 and this is 4. This is 4. So this will become 4. What happened? 4a and 2. Then 4 minus 2. Then it will become how much? 2. This was correct. 2 and also this 2. Then what's wrong? 4 and 3b. 4 plus 3b upon 2. 4a plus 2 and 4 plus 3b. 4 to z. Yes, this is it. This is it. This is it. And this will become 6. So, how much? 3. Again. So here 4 multiple 2 to 4 plus 3b. 4 to z, 8 to 10, 10 minus 4, 3b. So 6 upon 3. So here b, here you can say 10 minus 4 is 3b. So 6 upon 3 is equal to b. B is 2 and a is also 2. Finally, a is also 2, b is also 2. 3 to the 6. Now next question, which is objective question. We have this question and we have to find the value of k. The value of k. That's it. So we have to find value of k. So if these points are collinear, then it will be what? BC is equal to AC. We already know, just you look here, we are starting from here. So here 5 minus 2 and k minus 3. Okay, k minus 3. A square. So it will become 3 3 is a 9 and k minus 3. Clear? Now again 9 plus 9 plus k square plus 3 to the 6. Here it will be minus 9. So here 3 3 is a 9. Clear? Okay. Okay, no problem. Till here. Next is what? Nine 18 and it is k square minus 6k minus 6k. So here what is common? What is common? A to B. It is a sign this is equal to now BC. BC is how much? 6 minus 5 and then 7 minus k. 7 minus k. So it will become 1. 7 square minus 14k plus k square. Okay. So here we will do, so here 1 plus and 49. So 50 minus 40k plus k square. Now as we know that AB is AB plus AC. So here we are going to this AB and BC. Okay, AB and BC. 18 plus k square minus 6k. Next is 50 minus 14k plus k square. A square root will get cancelled out. Now what else? 18 minus 50 and plus k square minus k square minus 6k and plus 40k will become 0. So here this will get cancelled out. Now here it is how much? It is 50 minus 18 2 and this 4 minus 1 32. So minus 32 and it is how much? 8k 0 8k 32. Okay, So k is a 4. K is how much? 4. So this is final answer. This is final answer. K is a 4.